Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering up and linking components so the system can communicate. First, place speakers and subwoofer roughly where you'll listen. This shapes bass and imaging. Next, connect your source, Blu-ray, set-top box, or streaming stick, to the F&d receiver or amplifier using HDMI. Use optical only if HDMI isn't available. Once done, plug in the main unit and switch to the matching input. Make sure indicator LEDs confirms signal before moving to calibration. You now configure sound so content plays correctly. Begin auto EQ if the F&d model has it. Otherwise, manually set speaker distances and levels using a test tone and set the subwoofer crossover around 80 Hz for most systems. Then assign each physical input to the right label and enable HDMI ARC or eARC on both TV and receiver to pass TV audio. After that, try different surround modes and tweak bass and treble. Make sure to save a user preset so you can recall settings quickly. You finish by validating and locking in performance. Play familiar movies and songs to verify dialogue clarity, bass response, and surround imaging. Make incremental tweaks and note what changes. Update firmware over network or USB to fix bugs. Only perform a factory reset if problems persist. If sound is missing or distorted, power cycle all devices, reseat HDMI/optical cables, and ensure the TV audio output is set to PCM or bitstream as required. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.